Hey guys, I'm gonna show you just really quickly. If you open the practice problems assignment that I gave you, since you've already been in Kami, or you should have been, it will say open with Kami. If you've not accessed Kami, then it's probably gonna ask you to log in and create an account, which you should just use your Google account, okay? But if you've been coming to class, I actually expected you to do this with me. So we made it this far. Once you get in here, I asked to see the process. So here's an example. The very first problem says 1500s. Here's an easy way to show the process, okay? I know that this is the 10th place value and that this last one is the hundredths, okay? So maybe my process is just pointing to that place value and knowing that it's hundreds. So maybe I open a text box here and say 5 is in the hundreds. It's even a shortened version of that. So then when I come to put the answer in there, maybe I create another text box that says 15 hundredths. There's my fraction, decimal into fraction. You'll notice that the directions change as we get down to the bottom. It says convert each decimal into a percent. Well, on this one, I find the easiest way to show my work is to point out that basically percent means part per hundred. So I'm multiplying each one of these times 100. And yes, I am using a mouse, so it's not beautiful, but guess what? No one's perfect, and I just want you to try, okay? If I do that, what's happening is this decimal is moving 2 place values over, and therefore, instead of 12 hundredths as a decimal, my answer would be 12, because the decimal moved after the 2%, okay? So my work is showing that the decimal moved. My work is showing that I multiplied it times 100, okay? So make sure that you are showing me some form of work. And last, some of you are struggling with this part because you're trying to turn it in up here to me, okay? We don't have the feature accessible right now for you to do that, but as long as it is saved, right? It'll save to your Google Drive. As long as it is saved, all you need to do is close out of this, and then once you get into the classroom and you open your document to where it says turn in, just click the turn in button. I will see all of the work that you did in Kami without you having to copy and paste and put a link. If you're opening the document with Kami, the work is staying inside of there. Hopefully this helps ease some of your minds.